So what I've got here is the Rapid Hot Air Gun. This is the R1800 model. Obviously basically means you've got 1800 watts. So this is a 2-speed hot air gun. And as you can see, it's got this built-in stand to cool off afterwards. You get a good 2 metre length of cable, but we'll come on to that in a second. So you get this nice carry case. It's nice and bulky. It's very secure for all the accessories that come with it. So instructions wise, you get this massive booklet, 160 pages, but only 9 of them in English. So there's a little bit of reading, but not a lot. You also get this colour sort of applications sort of guide. A little bit confusing. It's in everyone's language, but you know, you're going to buy a hot air gun. You know what you're doing. You know you've got a task that you want to heat up. Obviously, this has a 2 selection mode, fast and slow. So it goes up to 600 degrees. Depends how you use it. So you can use it for plumbing, for stripping, whatever. But let's go back to the box. So once you open the box up, the instruction manual fits in there. You get 2 nice, reasonably good quality scrapers. I think they're actually quite good. So you can leave them in the box there, obviously, once you've used them. And then you get the 4 nozzles. The box is made really good. It's very tight to get them in. It's very hard to get the nozzles out. So you've got your traditionals, or that you get with any tool, depending on what you're actually doing. And they just fit on the buttons of the hot air gun, like so. And I have a little splitter back there to make it nice and push on type, like so. Done and dusted. So you can actually quite clearly direct, oh, a bit hard to get off, direct any heat that you've actually got. So the tool itself protects your hands, and it still looks like a gun. And actually you can see the settings on there. So you tick it over for 1 and you tick it over for 2. The thing I don't like about it is, obviously once you're finished, your hands usually got some, you know, your other hand's you've got something like a scraper, something else. You have to put that down and then turn on, turn on for the operation, which is I think it's just a bit of a flaw. If it was by the thumb, it would be quite easy, or by the trigger, you know, your trigger finger, nice and easy. I think so. At £38, I think they've missed a design flaw here. I think it's a great tool, great name. It's just, look, 1, and here it go, 2, the different speeds, depending on what you have to do, 3 straight off, and then put down. It is a 2-hand job though to operate it, which I find a little bit disappointing. And again, at £38, but you do get a lot in the kit. You've got a nice carry case. So all in all, I'm quite pleased. Just a bit disappointed in the overall design of the hot air gun.